Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting city of Lights, Paris. The mere thought of wandering through the cobblestone streets, sipping espresso at quaint sidewalk cafes, and gazing upon iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre is enough to make any traveler's heart skip a beat. But before we set foot on those enchanting Parisian streets, there's one essential task we can't overlook: packing. In this episode, I'll be your guide, your Sherpa through the maze of wardrobe choices, helping you make the right decisions about what to stow away in your suitcase before you embark on your journey to the breathtaking capital of France. Paris is a city of culture, art, and romance, and your suitcase should be a reflection of that. So let's dive right in and ensure that your Parisian adventure is a well-prepared and stylish one. First things first, fellow explorers, the weather in Paris can be as capricious as a Parisian cat. So when you're packing, be prepared for it all. Layers, my friends, are your best companions on this journey. Pack a light jacket, or better yet, a stylish trench coat. Not only will you stay cozy when the temperature drops, but you'll also effortlessly blend in with the chic Parisian vibe. Don't forget to toss in a cozy scarf too. It'll come in handy when you're savoring those breezy romantic evenings by the Seine, perhaps with a glass of wine in hand. Now let's talk about footwear, a crucial element in any traveler's arsenal. Paris is a city meant for exploring on foot, from the charming streets of Montmartre to the extensive galleries of the Louvre. So, comfortable shoes are not just a suggestion, they're a necessity. Opt for something that's not only easy on your feet, but also stylish enough to complement your Parisian ensemble. Whether it's a pair of sleek sneakers that can keep up with your daily adventures or a comfortable pair of flats, you'll thank me when you're strolling through the romantic alleyways, soaking in the artistic atmosphere of this remarkable city. And what's a trip to Paris without a dash of style, right? When you're packing, be sure to include some chic and versatile outfits that are ready to make you Instagram-worthy in front of iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. After all, Parisians are renowned for their fashion sense, so why not dress to impress? Whether it's that little black dress, a well-tailored blazer, or a dapper pair of trousers, make sure your wardrobe reflects the sophistication and elegance of the city itself. It's not about overpacking, but about selecting pieces that can easily mix and match to keep you looking effortlessly fabulous as you wander the streets of this remarkable city. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. Next up, my fellow adventurers, let's talk about being prepared for the whims of Parisian weather. Paris is notorious for its unpredictability, and you may find yourself caught in a sudden rain shower. But don't fret, this can add an unexpected touch of romance to your adventure. That's why a compact umbrella is a must-pack item. It's not just a practical choice. It can also be a charming accessory to your Parisian ensemble, especially when you're strolling along the Seine, hand in hand with a loved one. So, be ready to embrace those unexpected raindrops and make them part of your memorable experience. On the flip side, Paris is also known for its sunny, picturesque days by the Seine. So in your suitcase, make space for a stylish sun hat and a pair of chic sunglasses. Not only will these protect you from the sun's rays, but they'll also give you that classic Parisian look. Picture yourself sipping coffee at a quaint sidewalk cafe, watching the world go by, your sun hat shading your eyes, and your sunglasses adding a dash of sophistication to your look. Now, speaking of the Seine, how about enhancing your Parisian experience with a good book? Paris is a city deeply intertwined with art, culture, and literature. It's a place that has inspired countless authors and artists over the centuries. So before you embark on your adventure, consider adding a novel or a travel guide about the city to your packing list. As you sit by the romantic riverbanks or in a charming cafe, sipping your café au lait, you'll have the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in the literary and artistic legacy of this remarkable city. Whether it's a classic like The Paris Wife or a guidebook to help you navigate the city's hidden gems, having a good read with you can turn your moments of downtime into a beautiful journey of words and imagination. And my fellow adventurers, let's not forget the nitty-gritty essentials that can make or break your Parisian escapade. When it comes to traveling internationally, especially to a city as captivating as Paris, having your paperwork in order is absolutely crucial. First and foremost, your passport is your golden ticket to this French wonderland. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. Double check, triple check. You can't afford to get to the airport and realize it's expired. Additionally, make copies of your passport and keep them separate from the original. It's a backup plan for those just-in-case scenarios. Travel documents are the lifelines of any trip. Your plane tickets, hotel reservations, and any other important confirmations, print them out or have digital copies easily accessible on your smartphone. Now, about staying connected in the tech-savvy city of Paris. The last thing you want is for your camera or smartphone to run out of battery just as you're about to capture that picture-perfect moment in front of the Louvre. Paris is an Instagrammer's paradise, and trust me, you'll want to keep those memories alive in your photo album. So pack that universal power adapter to stay charged up and ready for action. Oh, and speaking of electronic devices, don't forget to install useful travel apps. Google Maps, translation apps, and transportation guides will be your best friends. They'll help you navigate the city, translate those oh-so-tricky French phrases, and get around like a local. In addition to the essentials, you might also want to consider travel insurance. It can offer peace of mind and financial protection in case of unforeseen events. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, how to be a savvy travel hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now, link in description. And finally, dear fellow travelers, here's a simple yet often underestimated item you should add to your packing list: a reusable water bottle. When you're exploring the beautiful streets of Paris, you'll be doing a lot of walking, and staying hydrated is absolutely essential. It's easy to get lost in the magic of the city and forget to drink enough water. With your suitcase carefully packed and all these tips in mind, you're ready to embark on your Parisian adventure. Remember to stay open to the unexpected, indulge in the culture, and savor every moment of your journey. Paris is a city that's meant to be experienced, from its stunning architecture to its mouth-watering cuisine and the beautiful stories you'll create along the way. Now it's time to set sail and explore the wonders of the world. Until we meet again on our next expedition, my savvy explorers, remember to stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world with an open heart. And please don't forget to stay connected with me and share your own travel tales on social media. Your experiences and discoveries are what make the world of travel so incredible. Bon voyage.